The sexual self, sexuality, the way people experience and express themselves as sexual being. Central aspect, being human throughout, like encompasses sex, gender, identities, and rules, sexuality, orientation, eroticism, pleasure, intimacy, and reproduction. Its experience express truth, fantasies, and desires, belief, attitude, values, behavior, practices, rules, and relationship. Admitting ignorance on the topic of sexuality in the Philippines culture seems to be taboo or degrading. Ignorance has to be addressed through proper education. Sexual education is not promote sexual intercourse but to promote sexual health and safety from sexual violence. Withholding information about sex and sexuality will not keep children safe, will keep them ignorant. Ang ibig sabihin daw po ng sexuality ay ito po tungkol sa iyong mga sexual na damdamin, iniisip, attraction at pag-uugali ng ibang tao. Sex refers to a person characterization as female or male at birth, typically based on the appearance of internal genitalia or other biological characteristics including chromosomes. Gender refers to social characters that may be not aligned with a person. Sex is adopted by individual their gender identity. Ang ibig sabihin naman daw po ng sex ay ito'y tumutukoy sa mga demonological na pagkakaiba ng pamagitan ng lalaki at babae. Halimbawa, jones and sexual organs and hormones. Ang gender po naman ay tumutukoy sa mga katangian ng mga babae at lalaki. Babae na binuo ng lipunan. Cisgender, people who identify with their sex assigned at birth. And transgender, people whose gender identity do not coincide with their sex. Ang cisgender naman, ang tawag sa taong naayon ay kanyang gender identity physical ng katawan. Ang transgender naman termino sakop ng transsexual, kasama rito ang iba't ibang identidad sa kasarian kabilang ang nandatarget ng individual. Sexual orientation, it pertains to the gender you're sexual attracted to and want to have relationship with. Sexual orientation include gay, lesbian, straight, bisexual, and asexual. Ang sexual orientation ay naglalarawan ng isang nagtatagal nakagawian ng pag-drone, pag-aakit, pangdamdamin, romantiko, sexual o ilang pagsasama-sama ng mga ito sa katumbas na kasarian katulad ng kasarian sa kapwa, kasarian o walang anumang kasarian at ang mga kasariang umaagapay sa kanila. Below are some types of sexual orientation. Heterosexual, straight attract to people of opposite sex. Bisexual attract to people of either sex. Homosexual, gay, lesbian attract to people of one's own sex. Pansexual, attracted to people any gender identity. Asexual, not sexually attracted to others. Ang heterosexual, pagsama naman ng salitang heterosexualidad na may literal na kahulugan, tuwid o tama, ay katunayan sa pag-aakit, romantiko, sexual. Kahulugan pagtatalik sa pagitan ng dalawang kasapi ng magkakaibang kasarian o ang bisexual naman ay naakit sa parehas na sex. Ang homosexual ay attracted to kung ano man ang kanilang sex. Ang pansexual attracted sa kahit anong gender identity. Ang asexual naman ay hindi na attract sa kahit anumang gender. Triangular theory of love, Robert Sternberg. Intimacy, feeling of closeness, connectedness, and bondness. Decision, commitment, feelings that lead a person remain with someone and move towards shared goals. Passion, feeling and desires that lead physical attraction, romance, and sexual fulfillment. Ang intimacy, kapalagan loob or may tiwala sa kanyang partner o ibang tao. Passion, ibig sabihin ay ito yung dalawang tao nagmamahalan o nag-iibigan. Decision, ang decision ng isang tao itong pagmamahal, isang tiyak na iba at pangmatagalan sa ibang pangako, panalitan ng pag-ibig na iyon. Non-love, ambience or three components, liking, friendship, set a feeling of experience without intense feeling of passion or commitment in the romantic. Ang liking friends daw po ay yung pagkaibigan, yung kaibigan lang ang tingin. Tapos ang non-love ay tunay ng pagmamahalan. Infatuation, this is the most common root of romantic love, is believed in intimacy develops other time. Ang ibig sabihin naman po nun ay pagpapakita ng pagmamahal sa isang tao. Empty love, characterized by the ambience of passion and intimacy despite the commitment. Ang isang tao pag tumagal na ang relasyon, nawawala na ng pagmamahal sa kanyang kasintahan. Ganun po ang ibig sabihin. Romantic love, lovers who are under the categories are said to not only be bound and bonded physically but emotionally. Sa romantic love, sa isang relasyon laging may romantic upang tumagal ang kanilang relasyon at doon nila pinapakita ang kanilang pagmamahalan. Compassionate love, this is stronger than friendship, formed because the element of commitment it can't be observed in long-term marriage. Sa compassionate love, sa isang relasyon laging may nag-uunawaan sa isa't isa upang ang isang tao ay magkaintindihan sila. Fatuous love, this is type of whirlwind romance that in our television. Ito naman po yung parang napapanood sa mga TV. Tapos ang consummate love, this is type of love at very center of triangle because this is said to be the perfect ideal type. Ito po yung panghabang buhay na pagmamahalan. And you are not a victim of sharing your story. You are survivor settings the world or fire truth and never know who needs light and warmth, raging courage. Sexual violence defined by who any sexual attempt to obtain or sexual and unwanted sexual comments of advices or act of traffic or other sex directed against a person. Sexual using correction by any person regardless of their relationship to victim in any settings including but not limited to home and work. Yung sa sexual violence naman po ay yung karahasan na anumang uri ng gender, ganun po. Yung parang binubuli, pananakot, yung ganun. Form of sex violence, unwanted sexual advances of sexual harassment, sexual abuse of mentality of physical of disabled, sexual abuse and forced abortion, yung forced marriage, violence against denial use of contraception or adopt other measure of protect against sexual transmitted. Ang sex violence ay perpetrators of Philippines sa mga prevents 4 into children from sexual violence. Yeah. Family planning contraception. The family planning programs intend proven as a symbol information of sexual productive help of people to choose from depending on needs preference. Contraception focus on the way of prevent pregnancy with family planning. 4 basics of implement family planning. Responsible parenthood. Ito naman po yung dapat pinaplano ang pag-aalaga. Respect for life. Yan, respect for life. Birth spacing. Ang birth spacing daw po ay dapat 3 to 5 years at informed choice. Dapat ay maganda na ang buhay. Ang contraception method naman po ay yan po. Contraception. Yun lang po. Thank you.